everyone, welcome to our beginner's guide to the stock market. If you've ever wondered what the stock market is all about, but felt too intimidated to start, I'm here to break it down for you in the simplest way possible. Trust me, you're not alone. Most people feel a little lost when they first hear about stocks, trading, and all those numbers flashing on the screen. So, imagine the stock market as a giant marketplace, but instead of fruits and veggies, people are buying and selling little pieces of companies. It's a place where anyone, from big-time investors to everyday people like you and me, can participate. These pieces are called stocks, and owning a stock means you actually own a small part of that company. Cool, right? It's like having a tiny slice of a giant pizza, except this pizza could grow bigger over time, or sometimes shrink. Now, why would anyone want to buy stocks? Well, it's not just about owning a piece of a company, it's about the potential to grow your money over time. When a company does well, say it invents the next popular gadget, opens new stores, or reports record profits, its value goes up, and so does the price of its stocks. Investors get excited, and more people want to buy in. If you bought stocks at a lower price and sell them when they're worth more, you make money. This is called capital gain, and it's one of the main reasons people invest in the stock market. But, and this is important, it can go the other way too. If a company tanks, the value of its stocks can drop, and you could lose money. The stock market can be unpredictable, and prices can swing up and down for all sorts of reasons: news, world events, or even rumors. Let's talk about how you actually get started. The good news is, you don't need a finance degree or a ton of cash to begin. First, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of this as your personal online shop, where you can buy and sell stocks. It's like opening a bank account, but for investing. There are tons of apps out there that make this process super beginner-friendly. Many of them have easy-to-use interfaces, educational resources, and even practice accounts so you can learn without risking real money. But before you jump in, it's smart to understand two basic types of stocks, because not all stocks are created equal, and knowing the difference can help you make better choices. First, there are common stocks. These are what most people buy and sell. When you own common stock, you can vote at shareholder meetings and may get dividends if the company pays them. Then there are preferred stocks, which are a bit different and usually pay out fixed dividends. Preferred stockholders get paid before common stockholders if the company shares profits, but they usually don't have voting rights. For most beginners, starting with common stocks is the way to go. They're easier to understand and more widely available. A lot of people ask, how do I know which stocks to buy? It's a great question, and the answer is, do your homework. That's where research comes in. Take time to learn about the companies you're interested in. What do they make? Who runs them? Are they growing? Look at a company's track record, what they actually do, and whether you believe in their future. Read their annual reports, check out news articles, and see how they've performed over the years. Don't just follow the hype, think long-term. It's easy to get caught up in trends or hot tips, but real investing is about patience and making informed decisions. And here's my golden rule: never invest money you can't afford to lose. The stock market goes up and down, and no one can predict it 100%. Always make sure your bills and essentials are covered first. If you're just starting out, try investing small amounts at first. Even a few dollars can help you learn the ropes and get comfortable with the process. Get comfortable with how things work. Many platforms offer simulators or paper trading, so you can practice without risking real money. Over time, you'll learn more, and your confidence will grow. Remember, investing is a journey, not a race. The more you learn, the better your decisions will be. If you want to dive deeper, make sure to subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. I love hearing from you, and your questions help shape future videos. I'm here to help you unlock the secrets of the stock market, one step at a time. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with a little patience and curiosity, you'll be on your way to becoming a confident investor.